These are AFD's fuel management controllers. They help our customers control their inventory in a transparent way. They also provide a ton of flexibility and options that can be tailored to their specific site requirements. AFD has developed a cost-effective solution that includes both the electrical components and the fuel management hardware. Most of the competitors only have a controller, which means customers require additional components to start pumps or open solenoids. Ours are built in, giving AFD customers a level of fuel security and reporting that is unmatched in the industry. We offer an unprecedented range of flexibility and customization. No two customers are the same. They have unique needs, KPIs, and data points that are important to their operation. Our solution improves fuel delivery, safety, monitoring, and analysis. This provides a clear and accurate picture for our customers to track fuel inventory, delivery status, and usage without ever having to lift a finger. The probe is comprised of 3 sensors in our stationary tanks to measure product volume, water volume, if any, and temperature. Our probes can trigger events that can be viewed on our dashboard called Fuel Before. These events can be related to fuel in, fuel out, and volume with an accurate timestamp for each event. Product and water are measured within a millimeter, so it's incredibly accurate. This gives our customers a level of visibility into the tank to ensure high-quality, uncontaminated fuel products are delivered without having to physically open a tank. The mobile probe installed on our trucks also includes a density sensor. This provides an additional layer of security to eliminate the possibility of fuel mix-up during offloading.